Yes, my lord, we attached some exhibits to the main affidavit.
How many?
We have 3 exhibits, my lord. No, exhibits A1 to A4. A1 to A4, my lord. That's 4 exhibits.
Yes, please.
Yes. My lord, specifically, we also filed a written address, my lord. And we adopt the argument canvas in that written address.
Written address was filed what day?
As our argument in support of this application.
When did you file the written address? Along with the application? The written address, when did you file it?
The written address.
When did you file it?
We filed the written address on the 26th, my 26th day of October.
Yes.
2022, man.
You adopt your processes.
We adopt the argument canvas in the written address.
Yes. And you urge the court to grant your application, right?
My lord, if I may, yes, I urge my lord to grant the application by setting aside the garnishee on my side. Yes. And my lord, in reaction to the counter affidavit filed by the judgment debtor, the judgment creditor, respondent, my lord, we equally filed a further affidavit and reply on point of law, my lord, on the 10th day of November 2022. Well, we also rely on the affidavit as well as the written and the reply on point of law in support of our position before this honorable court that this is a case where my lord can exercise his discretion favorably in favor of the judgment debtor. I don't know if you can just take a minute to elaborate.
No, Mr. Kajuri, I have to go back to court. I only stepped out of court to take this application.
We are much obliged, my lord. Thank you, my lord.
Mr. Yusuf?
Yeah, without wasting the time of my noble lord, counter affidavit to the application is deposed to by Joseph Wasting.
When did you file the affidavit, Mr. Yusuf?
Deposed to on the 9th day of November 2022. 9th day of November 2022.
Yes.
Deposed to by Joseph Wasting.
You also filed a written address?
We filed a written address. We adopt the...
Do you have any exhibits?
Counter affidavit with 2 exhibits, my lord. We adopt the counter with 2 exhibits, and we equally adopt the submission in our written address and commend all the authorities to my noble lord in asking the courts to dismiss the applications as none of the prayer sought is groundable. My lord, I do not intend, I listened to my lord actually wouldn't allow adumbration, but my lord, if I may mention that we filed another application, and if I know the application is not fixed for hearing at this proceeding, but I just want to draw the attention of my noble lords to the application that what we are basically saying is, if my noble lord dismiss this application, noble lord should have made
you filed another application.
Yes, we filed an application.
Are you ready to proceed with that application? Mr. Kadiri.
Yes, my lord.
Have you been served with the application?
My Lord, we received a mail forwarding that application to us yesterday. But my Lord, our reaction is that this application is presumptuous.
Are you ready? Are you ready for
we are not ready, my Lord.
My Lord, if
Yusuf, you filed this application yesterday, right?
I did yesterday, my Lord. And if I may say, Mr. Kadri is not even, they are not a party in law to this application. The application is against the Ganishi. We are simply asking my Lord to make the other absolutes against three of the Ganishi.
Did you file it on notice or did you file it ex parte?
We filed it on notice and we serve the,
Who are the parties? Who are the parties that you served? You served the Ganishis?
My Lord, we serve the Ganishis
without
affected.
serving the judgment debtor?
We serve the judgment debtor, but what we are saying is, even in effect, in a regular proceeding, the judgment debtor cannot file a response to this application by law.
Because
the nature of the application they can bring is what they are brought before your noble lord. They
can
challenge
the court had already set down the 1st of December for the Ganishis to appear to show cause why the Ganishi order NISA should not be made absolute.
As the court pleases.
That's right? And your application that you filed yesterday is asking for the same thing.
Yes, my lord.
When the court made the
yes, my lord,
Ganishi order NISA, did the court order you to serve the judgment debtor?
Yep, we filed the application because of two things. One is because of the judgment debtor. They have come before the court.
I need to go back to court. Mr. Kadri was only served yesterday. He's not ready. He's entitled to respond to it. Because you cannot have a motion on notice and you serve a party and you say you don't expect the party to do anything when the money presumably belongs to such a party.
If the court is not ready, my lord would be patient.
The court will not be here. I will not rise from sitting just to take your application virtually, Mr. Yusuf. You cannot file an application yesterday and now come and tell the court that you're ready for the application, and even though you have filed, you have served the judgment debtor, he's not entitled to file anything. Then why did you serve him?
I will leave it at that. The last point I want to make is even in the interest of the judgment debtor, they inform the court that we've blocked all their accounts, and we want to say that other Ganishis that we do not need in the proceeding should be discharged by my noble lord.
Isn't that why the court set down the 1st of December for the Ganishis to appear to make this
as the court pleases,
to show cause why the order NISA should not be made absolute?
As the court pleases, we will leave it at that.
What adjourned for ruling on Tuesday, the 15th of November, 2022, via virtual proceedings.
As court please, my lord. We are very grateful, my lord.
Thank you, gentlemen.
As the court pleases, we are grateful to the court.
Thank you.